All right, here we go. Let's get busy. I think I gave myself more time on the timer than I needed that time. Usually it's I don't know. It's a little bit helpful for me to have the time on the timer, but I didn't need that much this time. All right. I still try to, stick with it. Oh, Rust. We're hopping on to Rust now. Aw, heck yes. Okay, cool. Let's join the Rust track. All right. This is obviously one of the most popular programming languages that there is today. So we're gonna give it a shot here. I don't I think I've tried a little bit to mess with Rust, but I basically know close to nothing. We'll give it a shot here. All right, so should we rust up like this? That might actually be good to go already, but let's just paste it in and see. I'm not sure. It says, okay. All right, let's take a look. x86-64 unknown Linux GNU. Oh, that's crazy. Just kidding. It's fine. It's quite normal. It's quite common. A common triple. All right, so let's proceed with the default. And we'll hop in here. Clippy, Rust docs. My voice still doesn't feel good, so this is probably going to be another short one, like I predicted earlier today. My voice still doesn't feel great. So I'm not gonna push it. I'm predicting it right now. I'm probably just gonna do this one and call it till the morning. But so let's try the hello world. Okay, so let's go to exercism. Wait. Oh, why am I typing? Let me fix my posture a little bit. I'm like not centered on the keyboard, I guess. Okay. Okay. Exorcism. Nope, not F sharp. Rust. Yeah? Hello. Okay. Oh gosh. Alright, there it is. Okay, so let's try running the test. Let's see what it will say. It says, cargo not found. Okay, so we need to do a little bit more. You need to source the corresponding env file under home.cargo. Okay. So, note the leading dot. All right, let's give it a shot here. Okay, let's see what it does. Well, there we go, baby. Yes. Okay, so it said goodbye Mars. So let's take a look at our source file. librust. Love it. Okay, so here it is. So, I mean, what do we think? Is this a little bit, oh, a lifetime specifier, something you'll learn more about later? For me, that's probably going to be much later because I am going to attempt to complete today's exercise without learning what the lifetime specifier is. Is it because I hate learning? I mean, I don't know, kinda, I guess, but I'm just gonna try to get through it quickly. Okay, so let's exorcism test again. It says okay, let's submit. Whoops. Okay, it says submitted. Let's see what it looks like. Processing. Close some of these out, I guess. All right, processing, baby. Right, passed, complete, confirm. Okay, so now let's close here and return back to do the allergies. And hopefully it's not too hard. Let's hop over here. I've already done it twice. Yeah, with any luck, I'll get good sleep tonight and hopefully feel better in the morning and do more. Tomorrow's Saturday, so I do want to try to do more. All right, so let's go. Okay, let's take a look at our file. Lib. Okay. Alright, so again, we have this enum. Eggs, peanuts, shellfish, strawberries, tomatoes, chocolate, pollen, cats. Alright, no comments this time to help us, but we do have some to-dos. Given the score, construct a new allergies struct. Okay, sure. Is allergic to. Determine if the patient is allergic to the allergen. Oh, interesting. Okay. And allergies. Okay, so we'll have a score passed in to construct a new allergies struct. Okay. And this one is just supposed to return the self, I guess. Okay, cool. So does that mean that we need a private member or something on this struct? Let's take a look. Rust struct private field. Yes. Let's take a look. Structs have an extra level of visibility in their fields. Okay, so pub struct, implement a public constructor method. Okay. Wait a minute. So wait, a public struct with a private field of generic type T. So this is private because it's not marked with pub. Okay, well I don't, oh shoot. Reload player, reload player. Don't quite know what happened there. It doesn't usually have technical issues here, but yep, I think it's okay now. Show CC text. Do I have actual CC text? I don't think so. I don't see anything. Okay. So anyway, let's see. So basically, I don't really need one of these things. I just need like a list, which is a field. So let's look at types. Custom types? Okay, let's look at this. Okay, so this is impl allergies. Okay, so it's a pub struct. It lists here on one. And then we show this information, I guess. All right, so then I'm just gonna put allergies, I guess, as what, I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna put allergy, oh gosh, here. Allergies, which is going to be a list of allergen, right? So let's see, primitives. It's not gonna be a tuple, it's gonna be like an array, basically. Sure. So that will be an array of allergen. Should we put that and on it? I'm gonna say yes. Okay, so we're gonna make it this. Okay, what do we think so far? Good? I don't maybe. All right, so then when we do new, we are going to have to populate the allergies, I guess, based upon whatever score was passed in. Okay, so rust enum. Let's see if we can get numbers off of it, because I think that's probably the best way. In the Elm one, I didn't. In the Elm one, I hard-coded the numbers, basically. But in the Nim one, I did get them off the enum. Just in the Elm one, I couldn't figure out how to get it off the enum. Alright, so anyway, so if we have an enum like this, do these have, like, integers associated with it? We're saying, what are we saying? Enum values. Okay. I think I'm very tempted already to just do it the way I did in the Elm one, because that was straightforward, even if it was a bit, like, verbose, redundant. It was straightforward. If I do see a way to get a number, to turn the enum into numbers, let's see, int, intent, oh my gosh, into, intent, okay. I'm just gonna do it the way I did for that other one. So I'm gonna say, whoops, not that. I'll come to the bottom here, and I will say function allergen to int, and this one will have to take an allergen, and it will return int. Should it be U32, the same as the score? Probably. Let's say U32. And then I guess it'll be case. Let's see, Rust case. Oh, this is completely different. We want this one. Match. Here we go. Okay, so match allergen. And then we will say eggs. And then we will say fat arrow. Ooh, I love that fat arrow. I think it's much cuter than the skinny arrow. They're both lovable, but I love the fat arrow more. All right, so for this one, oh, and then Rust bitwise operators. Yeah. Oh, hooray, we can do it with regular operators. Oh man. Oh, so good. So good. Do we have bit shift? Oh, left shift. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, so that will be 1 shift 0. Okay, so then we will do, I guess, peanuts. Oh gosh. Wait, what did I do here? Eggs, peanuts, shellfish, tomatoes, chocolate, pollen, cats. Okay. Peanuts. Nope. Peanuts. Shellfish. Strawberries. Tomatoes. Chocolate. Pollen. Cats. Yeah? Okay. Eggs, peanuts, shellfish, strawberries, tomatoes, chocolate, pollen, cats. Okay, so, I mean, again, kinda dumb. I think it's probably easier this way. Okay, so this will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. There we go. Okay, something like that? I think so. So, do we need a return statement? Rust function return. Okay, so early return is allowed, sure. But do we need a return at all? The final expression will be used as a return. Amazing. Okay, so now let's go is allergic to. But for this one, we have to have it already in the list of allergies, I guess. So this one we will say allergies. Let's see. So it was a slice. Rust slice find. Let's see here. Find a range. Something like includes or contains. Oh, contains. Is this what we want? Returns true if the slice contains an element with the given value. Perfect. So we will say allergies contains. Is this how it is? So allergy. Okay, so that will be that one. And then for this one, we will just say allergies. This seems a little messed up, so I named this the same as this. That doesn't seem right. Okay, so then for this one, we will just populate the allergies list, given the score. Okay. So here, I'm going to say all allergies equals eggs, peanuts. Is this dumb? This is so redundant. This is the third place. The rule of three, let's see. So we can define an enum. Can we iterate over the enum? Let's see. Iterate. Yeah, let's see. Rust enum iterate? I don't know. Sure. So you could use the strum crate. That sounds smart. I don't really want to use that crate though. So what happened here? Iter static. That's pretty much what I was about to do. Okay. All right. I'll just live with it then. Although, do we have to... Uh, I might have to do something a little different. I'm gonna try it like this. Tomatoes, chocolate, pollen, cats. Okay, so now here, we're gonna say all, or I'm gonna say allergies list equals all allergies, and I'm gonna try filter. I'm gonna try filter. Let's see. Rust slice filter. Let's see if we've got something. Filter. Let's see what this says. Okay, so we have a struct. Sized collect. We want collect? It doesn't quite sound right. Filter. W3 resource. MIT. Okay, hit me with it. Slice iterator. Filter. Okay. So we go iter. Wait. Read more, sure. So they did into iter and then filter. That's what I will try. Okay, so into iter filter, and then put in, I guess, A for allergy. A, there we go. And then I'm going to put A and, or actually I'm going to put allergen to int A and score not equal 0. And there we go. Okay. So what happens when we do this? Okay, allergies list, expected one of bang or double colon. All right, which one did we want? The bang or the double colon? Honestly, I don't know because I'm not familiar with the syntax. So let's see. So where did I even get this from? So I'm trying to create a struct which is supposed to have basically a private field basically. I'm definitely gonna end stream after I finish this one. All right, so we're trying to create a struct. Interesting. I'm guessing it's more likely the double colon and not the bang. Defining. Okay, so I was trying to kind of do it like this. Do we need a comma at the end? Well, I don't know. What if there's a comma at the end? No? Active bool, username string, email string, sign in count use 64. Okay. This might have been wrong. That was just a wild guess. No, it still wants a bang or double colon. Oh man, this is bad. I haven't been in it super long, and I shouldn't, because it should be simple. Okay, so let's just try the double colon. See what that does for us. It says expected identifier. Expected identifier. Minute. Oh gosh. No. Is a directory. Okay, I'm not sure. I've been at it for a very short time, and I may already have to step away for a little while. In fact, I think I do actually. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes. All right. Okay. So what I'm not seeing is I'm not seeing this use of the impl keyword, right? So if we look here, we see that this is a struct listed here, then derive, okay, not sure exactly what that's about. And then down here, we're all like impl. Oops. Right? And then I try to put allergies list, which I was thinking was supposed to be like this, where we've got active, bool, etc. But it's apparently not the same. So, and then this, like, who knows what that's supposed to be. So, so then the question is, what do we want to do? Should this be pub? Should this be pub? I don't know. I don't think it makes any difference. You likely mean to define an item, e.g. pub function foo. Yes, I do mean to define an item, which would be a field. Does a field count as an item? Okay, let's see. Rust struct field. Okay. Fields with named, let's see, structs with named fields. That's kind of what I was trying to do. There's also tuple struct and unit struct. Okay. So this one is regular. Uh-oh. It looks like mine might be a unit struct. Okay, so in that case, then it's clear what we have to do, right? At least I think so. We put this here, and then we grab these guys, right? And we come up here, and there they go. And then, I mean, yeah, something like that. So then, well, let's see what it says. I think there's more that we have to do. Let me just see what it says. So, wow, okay, unreachable, unreachable. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of output. All right. Okay, so do we want a box type? I guess, maybe? I don't know. Okay, so let's put self. That's an easy one to figure out, probably. So this is going to be self dot, self dot, self dot, self dot. Yeah? Okay, so unused variable cats. Yeah, they're not supposed to be variables. It's supposed to be matching. Pattern binding cats is named the same as one of the variants of the type allergen. Okay, so I misunderstood how the pattern works. Let's look. Rust match. Sure. Okay, so match number, we put 1, we put 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, we put 13 through 19. So that's all cool, I guess. But why could we not match on these allergens? So the allergen itself is supposed to be an allergen. Okay, so far so good. Oh, I probably have to put like what they are. So like allergen. I think I saw something like this. Whoops. Yeah. Does that help any? I think that did help. Okay, so expected VEC allergen to VEC. Try using a conversion method to VEC. Okay, sure, let's do that. Yeah. Okay. The trait clone is not implemented for allergen. Oh, that's messed up. Consider annotating allergen with derive clone. Okay, let's just try it. Um, okay, allergies. Hold on. Okay, there's still a ton here. Oh, let's box the allergen onto. I don't know if that's really it. Or let's try and actually. Is that any different? Add a self to make the associated function a method. I don't think it's supposed to have that. Okay. I think I'm getting close. Oh man, I've been at it a while already. Maybe getting close. Expected comma following match. Okay, let's do that. Okay. So let's see. Cannot find allergen to int. So that has to be self again, right? Oh, wait a minute. No, probably not. Default values on struct fields aren't supported. I have a semicolon somewhere. Okay, so. Okay, so we can't do this. Instead, we have to do something else. I guess whatever this person showed in the Stack Overflow, right? This one. Okay. So direction, and then they put this on it. So we put impl something, and then here we put pub function, and iterator does sound fine to me. We will return an iterator, static, not sure why, or actually, allergen. It is like I'm allergic to trying to learn anything. Honestly, crazy. Pretty much just copying this, obviously, so allergen 8. Okay, so then up here, let's grab this. And then yeah. Okay. So then we won't have that. And then here, so we're going to instantiate the struct, which I saw them doing a couple places like this, right? So I'm going to say let new allergies equal, and then I'm going to say allergies. I am going to put allergies list, and then we're going to put this allergen thing, and let me look at what they did again here. So they went for whatever in iterator, but I believe we should be able to hopefully maybe just filter that. So let's try allergen iterator, and then let's do this filter, all right? And delete that. And then, well, yeah, actually, that's probably okay. Do I have to put new allergies again to, I'm just going to put new again. Okay, so now it says, oh, allergent? What the heck is that? No, that's badly spelled, baby. Okay, so, oh man, there's still so much. Let me go to the, okay, I want to go to the top. Clear. Let me go to the top. Oh, it's so much. Add a semicolon at 28. Okay. Add a semicolon at 28. Oh, okay, sure, makes sense, I guess. Then there was a lifetime mentioned somewhere. Was it here? They didn't have one here, right? Okay, let me just look at it again. So it said missing lifetime on 2. Okay, what do I have on 2? Missing lifetime on 2. Expected named lifetime parameter. So should it be, oh gosh, I'm not even sure. But yes, I will try this. So it'll be tick A, I guess. Sure, let's try a tick A on that guy. I don't know. Okay, so it says, indicate the anonymous lifetime on allergies. Okay. On here. Okay. I think that might actually make a kind of sense. I think I'm fooling myself, but okay, so then we're supposed to allergen. Oh, okay, okay. Those are on 36. Okay, that makes sense. Um, so allergen. Oh, wait. Does it make sense? I thought maybe I got it, but I'm pretty sure I didn't. Clear. Okay, so let's see again. Let me start from the top. So many. Okay, consider iterating one of, or excuse me, importing one of these structs. Binary heap iter, B tree map iter. Okay, so they used slice iter. 11 other candidates. Okay, yep, let's use slice iter. I'm sure I'm doing too much here. Okay, so let's say use and standard slice iter. Okay. So then, okay, so this is on 21, 22, 23. Oh my gosh, crate allergen eggs. Okay, that makes sense. All right. Okay, to the top. Okay, could not find allergen. Oh my gosh, I spelled it with a small a. That's a weird thing to be careless about, honestly. Okay, are we close? Okay, so defined here, expected value found enum allergen on 37. Cannot find allergen to int. So yeah, that allergen to int probably needs to be on the enum, not here. So this probably needs to be on the enum implementation. I know this is way too much. Okay, so okay, so then when we find allergen to int here, we want to say allergen like this. How come this one is like that? I think it's probably wrong. But here, yeah, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Nothing. Thinking nothing at all. Okay. All right, so expected iter allergen found something. At least there's not nearly as much output anymore. So let's see if I'm close to finishing. Implicitly returns nothing as its body has no tail or return expression. Oh, that's effed up. Iter static allergen. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so this was supposed to be the iterator, and then here at the bottom we had this, which is what I was kind of looking for here, but we didn't get it right. So what's the deal? Okay, so pub enum. Right, so we said something, eggs, peanuts. Return? No way. So what are we supposed to do? Okay, mismatch types. Expected found filter. Okay, so when we're done filtering, we have to convert back to a slice, I guess. Probably. Honestly, probably not, because what it actually expects ultimately is a vector, which I'm going to vec here. So this filter should probably itself be converted to a vec. Okay, so where was that filter? That was on the MIT site, right? So here's the filter. It's supposed to give back a filter. And the filter itself, can we turn it into a vec or a slice? Those are my questions. Vec? No. Slice? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Created by the filter method on iterator. Okay. Um... Last nth chain zip map filter enumerate? I don't think so. Take scan flat map, fuse, inspect all, any, find, position, max, min, reverse, cloned, cycle, sum, equals, not equals, less than. Oh no. Huh, okay. Rust, iterator, filter, to, vec. From iterator. Okay, so this person did a filter, cloned, and collected to vec. Okay, well, let's try that same thing. Because I think it's like almost done, kinda. So I'm gonna say cloned. I'm gonna say collect. I'm gonna say vec. And I'm gonna say allergen. And then here, I'm not gonna say to vec anymore. I'm just gonna say we're gonna return it as is because this, I'm gonna now say is a vec. And let's see. Okay, so we have expected vec. Okay, can I change that? Do I want to change that? Let's see. Expected 0 light. Okay, okay. Love it. Where's that guy? This ended up being, this is so much code. Everybody else is gonna have it done in like 10 lines, and here I am with like 60 plus lines, like crazy. It's fine. All right. I mean, I don't know if it's fine, but it's just what I'm doing. It's what I'm doing. I've been at this for such a long time already. Okay, so field, not a method. Okay, so that's on 64. Okay. Self.allergies list. Yes, that is a field. Okay. Clone. Okay. Makes sense to me, I guess. Okay, well, it passed something. It passed 1 and ignored 49. So let's go to the tests and allergies. And let's not ignore. Here, let's go. Hash ignore. Oh. Yeah. Ignore. Wait. How do we comment out, actually? It's so many of these. Okay, hold on. hash. Nope. That is not how you do it. This is me being allergic to learning anything again. Oh my gosh. All of them? I shouldn't have done that. That was so dumb. 50 passed. Let's submit. Okay. Some ridiculous number of lines. How many lines did I end up with there? $66. That's crazy. Oh, there are some notes. It says... What is this saying? Warning, returning the result of a let. Does what? Binding from a block? Unnecessary let binding? Return the expression directly. Okay, let me see if I can fix it. Okay, that was here. So we want to say, nope, we're not doing any of this. Let's test again. Expected allergies, found nothing. Okay, let's look again. So I say allergies. Is that it? Yeah, that's better. Okay, we'll submit that. And then I think there's one other note. Oh, opened up over here. All right. Yeah, there's one other note. It says allergen to int should have snake case name. Oh, fair enough. Fair enough. I did the other ones right. I think that's the first one I named, and I just wasn't thinking. So let's go ahead and try to replace allergen to int. Should be allergen to int. Let's test. Okay. Submit. All right. And that should be the real submission. It opened up over in the wrong window again, or on the wrong monitor again. All right, so passed, complete. That's all I'm going to do for tonight because I'm still feeling pretty under the weather. My voice is still pretty bad. Not as bad as this morning. But yeah, so that's the Rust, and so that means I have finished with allergens. So that's good. And then next up is going to be Civ in Zig. So this will be my first one in Zig. And Bash, that'll be my first exorcism. So I've never attempted Zig before in any way. It'll be my first exposure to Zig. Fortran, I don't think I've ever God, if I could speak. I don't think I've ever tried to code anything in Fortran at all either. And then Bash, I mean, of course I've coded things in Bash. But am I good at it? No, not remotely. So yeah, that's it. So for tomorrow, I think I'm gonna do another boot dev course, one that I've done before, but one that was talked about in a blog post recently, I think for tomorrow. So I'm probably not gonna come back to these till